All right, everybody, we're going to set up the Smart Rider drills. Now, these are the drills that are going to get you going for the slow speed maneuvers to get you better with the bike. So we have to set up the drills. It's only 10 cones. I have some tennis balls cut in half right here to kind of start it off, but we got 10 cones right here. You can get them in the shop. But this is how we're going to set up the Smart Rider games. Now, the Smart Rider games, I'll pop it up on the screen here. But basically, what we're going to do is set up a nice and easy course. Now, how did I figure out how to do the designs without having to bring a tape measure every single time? Well, I tape measured my stride, my walking. So I set out a tape measure about 10 feet. So get a 10-foot tape measure. And I just walked from the end of one side of it and just 1, 2, 3, 4. And that was about 10 feet for me, just a normal walk. Don't big steps or anything like that, just do a normal walk. And that's how I figured it out. So we're gonna go ahead and set up the dimensions so we can get started on this. So the very first part is the entry and exit section. So this is where we start right here, and then this is the entry and exit. This is where the timing kind of starts. And I like to have a camera like this, like a phone on a mount or an action camera on a mount that actually showcases the entry and exit. So when you do the games, when you pass it, if you don't have a timer and you pass it, you can go ahead and stop the video and start the video when you starts there. That way you can get your actual time. So let's go ahead and set the real cones here. So here's that first cone, here's that second cone, and here's that third cone. So now we only need 7 more cones. So from here, this is where it's really important when it comes to that tape measure first time and walking, is that I'm just gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Because the first one is 20 feet away. So 4 steps is 10 feet, 20 steps, or I'm sorry, 8 steps is 20 feet. So now we're gonna go ahead and do another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm gonna go ahead and place one down. And then we're gonna go ahead and do another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now this part right here, this is the very end of it. So we don't really go past this. I like to have a big parking lot and something that I can exit out when I go faster. So now we're gonna get up to this cone right here, and we're just gonna turn, and we're gonna look both sides, make sure our shoulders are in line, and I'm just gonna walk 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, right at the tippity toes. Do the same thing this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, tippy toes. Now we're gonna go to this cone over here, and we're gonna do the same thing. We only got 2 cones left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go ahead and do that. Same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's it. That is the cone pattern. You don't have to change it. Now every single drill, we got 20 plus drills, every single drill is going to be inside this design. So let's get these cones, these tennis balls cut in half. And now we got everything.